Welcome to this short demonstration on ePharma Solutions User Management Application and Vendor Integration Manager. Our solution streamlines and simplifies the user provisioning process for most every system used in clinical trials today. In today's technology-driven clinical trials environment, sponsors use as many as 10 eClinical technologies per trial, requiring study teams to manually complete account activation forms or Excel spreadsheets each time a user is added, edited, or removed from a study. This can be as many as 400 to 500 users per study and tens of thousands of role changes for a single 100-site study. Once the account activation forms are submitted to the vendors, each vendor issues a different username, password, and website the sites have to use to complete study-related tasks, causing incredible frustration for study teams and sites who are typically working on multiple studies at the same time. ePharma Solutions Vendor Integration Manager streamlines and automates the user provisioning process into 20 of the leading eClinical technology solutions. Study teams can add a user to the Vendor Integration Manager once, and that user will be programmatically added to each vendor's system with one click. Role changes and user deactivation in every system is also just one click away. For vendors who are part of the ePharma Solutions single sign-on network, users will only ever need one username to access all of the systems directly through ePharma Solutions portal. No more spreadsheets, no more mistakes, and happier sites. The Vendor Integration Manager is part of the user management application within the ePharma Solutions clinical trial portal. The user management application manages the sites and institutions, as well as the users at each site and the vendors involved in the study. Once users are added to an institution and assigned with roles to each eClinical vendor, they can be provisioned into each vendor system programmatically. The Vendor Integration Manager includes a configuration, mapping, and filtering engine that can be set up by ePharma Solutions or configured by the study teams. Once a system is configured for a sponsor with all of their eClinical vendors, each study can be configured in minutes. The Vendor Integration Manager also provides a complete export and version history for each user, each vendor, and each role change. There's also an acknowledgement report that provides study teams with the exact time each user was provisioned to or decommissioned from the eClinical systems used on that study. In summary, ePharma Solutions Vendor Integration Manager provides study teams with a simple and reliable way to streamline and accelerate the user provisioning for all of the eClinical systems used on a study. The system has been integrated with the top 20 eClinical vendors used in clinical trials today and offers substantial time and cost saving while reducing administrative errors and improving compliance. Call 610-832-9915 for more information or email info@epharmasolutions.com.